Okay, I've got the SSM2 skate sharpener here. I'm going to go ahead and sharpen some figure skates. And haven't used this in a while, so had a little hard time moving the diamond toward the wheel. So I've taken off these three nuts here to pull the top off. This has got a profiling attachment. That's what that other piece is. So there's some slots in here. Here's the wheel. And I've gone through here and just kind of loosened these up with the wrench from the bottom, the top here, and then gone through and gotten some of the grunge out, vacuumed this up. And you want these just a little bit so they're snug, but not too tight, so when you adjust the knob here in the back, it's back here, you move this bail back and forth, adjust the radius and curvature. There's a little gizmo here that comes to measure what the radius is here. It goes from the edge of the scale to the back edge of this knob. So it's got metric, that's 3/4, and that's looks like it's about 17-18 millimeters right there, roughly. So I started to turn this knob, and it didn't really want to act like it was working too well. Let me adjust the iris up here. And it didn't really want to. There's the lead screw that's in there. I didn't want to strip that out. So just by backing this up a little bit and getting some of this grunge out here from sharpening a lot of skates, I've got this to move back and forth in the slots. So we're good to go. This is what goes back and forth to adjust the radius of curvature. So it's pivoting on these 2 points here. Go back and forth. And this is a way here you can use to adjust the ballast. You can move this back and forth. This is a unique machine because it has a wheel this rests on. You can adjust it up and down. So it's very easy to adjust the Z height on here. The skate floats on a holder back up and forth through here. So you can just turn this knob. There's an advanced model. This is actually calibrated. This is the base model. But it does have the profiling attachment.